Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your camera not opening problem. Friends, you can see it is not opening, this type of problem it happening. How you can solve it? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Friends, you can see when you just long press it, click on I button. If you just clear the cache from here, and same problem is happening. If it is not opening, you just click on while using this app, and same, it is not opening. You have to go to control center. Here it is sensors, you have to turn it off from here. Friends, if it is not showing, you have to click on edit, and you can find from here sensor, and just click on the sensor and you can enable it from here. You can see friends, you can see here it is the sensor. You can just hide it from here like this. Here it is hidden, so you have to hold and drag to add the tiles. You can just hold it and come to upwards, just release the button and it is now added, and press back, and now you can see, just swipe right. Here it is friends, here it is the sensors. From here you can turn it on and turn it off, and now you can see camera is opening successfully. You can see friends, here it is the reason of camera not opening. Here it is the sensor off, you have to turn it off, and now it is successfully opening. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.